Hello, my name is Wilma. I'm showing you my Smash book today. Let me see. Here it is. It's made from an old agenda. It's really thick. There are a lot of pages in it. It's heavy. I have to put the camera in another position. Let me see if this will work. I think it can be seen. Make a bit wrong. Okay. Here we go. There are pictures in it. Recipes. Oops. Okay, recipes and more recipes. Pictures. I broke my glasses a couple of months ago. I have new ones. More recipes, recipes, recipes. Let's see. I draw a picture and made a pocket out of it. More pictures. My colleague. The cat from the neighbors. Cards I got. I put a pocket in. It's not very good to be seen, it seems. Okay. Let's move on. Letters I got. Also not to be seen. What do I do wrong? What do I do wrong? One moment. A bit more straight up, perhaps. And let's see if this... Oh, no. This will not help one bit. Oh, this is better. Okay, try to move it a little around. Okay. Well, letters and pictures and more pictures. So I once was, whoops. I want to say I once, oh, there's the camera. I once was a firefighter. That I put in it. Daughter coming home from Australia. Oh. Blimey. Other daughter coming back from Australia. Things I bought. Shops I go to. These are label clothes. Labels in clothes, I mean. Nice pictures. More pictures and things to keep. I have to try something else. Let me see. Kitchen. Let me see. Okay. Potverdorie. Uh-oh, I wrote in it. Here I made my first curry. Huh? I made my first curry. People I met that day I wrote about. See, it's all kinds of stuff. Pictures from magazines, from cards, a bag from a local store. I put, what do you call it? Tickets in it. When I paid, payment tickets, called, I guess. During a fair with my eldest daughter. Things to do. Oh, wait. These are my favorite crackers. Here I just got tickets for a holiday to Turkey. Nice card I got. A picture from a magazine. You see all kinds of stuff. Writers I like to write books from. Tickets from the library. The Da Vinci Code, the movie. A train ticket to the hospital. Oh, this I have to show you. I've got this bracelet. I have received this bracelet from Pink Ribbon from my colleague Rebecca. Picture. Very lovely. Keeps me healthy also. Okay, blank pages to write. Picture. More blank pages. And so on and so on. Very nice creams from Clinique. This one I got from my boss. It's the organization I work for. You see, I have to do it slower. I will get the hang of it. Oh, this was such a nice picture. I do own a doll's house and I wish to make such a room with colors like this. It's a bit of Swiss, uitstraling, a bit of a Swiss view, so to speak. Very old scrap. Phone numbers I need to remember. This is paper I made. I stamped it. I inked it. It's a bit yellow. I don't know if it can be seen. Here's the other side. It's all just pieces of paper I put into an old planner. And I did receive another one for next year, so this will be my 2012 smash book. I've made a list in this for things I want for my birthday or for Christmas or whatever, and things I have striped down. I already got a hot tool, shoes for cycling. This is the pink ribbon bracelets. This is the pink ribbon bracelet, but I've got it from Rebecca. It says on 11th October from this year. Uh-oh. Are we out of... Blimey. Computer failure. Come on. Oh, please. Okay. Okay, no computer failure. Dexter, my favorite series on TV. My brother is watching it now. He told me last night. And that's the end of it. I've put some... Uh-oh. Some bling bling on the side. Oh, and I have to show you something else. I was busy making a book for Jukta. I hope I pronounce it right. And I have put some flowers on it. Now, come on, camera. Okay. I have put some flowers on it. And put a flower on the cat's ear. This is for her. Tags in it. I wrote her a card. I shall put it back. Then I did this one. A tag. I did that. Here, can you put something in? This is a tag I made. I put a flower on this one. This is a picture of Otje from a famous Dutch children's book. She can write something on it, or whatever she likes. This goes up, and then we have another tag. She can put a picture on it if she likes. This is one I made. I put a flower on this one side. Oh yeah, and this is a pocket. It opens like this, and here she could paste a picture or a drawing or whatever. A tag higher. A tag I made. I put a flower on this one too. Yes. Oh, this is my favorite page. It's fruit. It goes up. I think I have to make something here. But I do not know yet what to do. This is a pocket. This is a pocket. This page. She can put something in this pocket. This one goes like that.